What if a single number could unlock hidden patterns across the universe? A number that appears not just in nature, but within the very structure of the Quran? In today's episode of Ayat and Algorithms, we dive deep into the mathematical mystery behind the number 19, a number that some believe holds a divine code woven into the sacred text. Why 19? In the Quran, this number appears more than once in meaningful contexts. For example, in Surah Al-Mudassir, it is directly mentioned.
عليها 19.
Translation. Over it are 19. But what does this number really signify? Some scholars suggest that this is more than a symbolic reference. There's a complex mathematical structure hidden within the Quran based on the number 19. Here are a few mind-blowing facts. First, the Bismillah, the opening phrase, in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, has 19 letters in Arabic. Second, the Quran has 114 chapters, an exact multiple of 19, which is 19 by 6. Third fact, the word Allah appears 2698 times in Quran. And yes, 2698 is divisible by 19. Let's go back to the first revelation, the moment that changed history. Surah Al-Alaq. The first 5 verses revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, contain exactly 19 words. Surah Al-Alaq itself has 19 verses. Is this all just a coincidence, or is it a sign of a deeper, divine algorithm written into the very fabric of the Quran? In computer science, algorithms rely on patterns and logic to function efficiently, whether it's encrypting data, predicting outcomes, or solving complex problems. Surprisingly, the same kind of mathematical elegance appears within these Quranic structures. Could this ancient text reflect the same universal logic that governs our algorithms today? If so, the Quran might be more than a spiritual guide. It could also hold insights into mathematical truths that scientists are just beginning to understand. Patterns based on 19 don't just appear in the Quran, they also show up in nature. From the structure of galaxies to the genetic code in living beings, this number seems to echo through creation itself. But why does this number appear so consistently? Is it purely mathematical, or could it hint at something greater, a universal algorithm written by a divine hand? The mystery of number 19 challenges us to look deeper, not just into mathematics or algorithms, but into the very nature of reality itself. Is this divine coding woven into the universe, waiting for us to unlock its secrets? If this question fascinates you as much as it fascinates us, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for deeper insights into the powerful connections between ancient wisdom and modern technology. This is Ayat and Algorithms, where science meets spirituality.